Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a really nice move for the bulls. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago, and then you look at where it closed right there on the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a whole lot of progress today. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the $2 mark. Why is $2 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there's a pullback here. Not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, say the price pulls back here and then behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying make progress as $2. What about areas of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up a chart here a little bit. So next key overall area of resistance. Okay, price actually broke through that one today, but not that one. Yes, I'm talking to myself right now. $2.25, and that just comes from looking back in the history of the chart. You can see that it was a previous level of support right here, and that's just a good old-fashioned textbook rule in charting. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, so you can see it acted as resistance right there. And although the price didn't quite hit it today, relatively close, so $2.25, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, no doubt about it, nice move today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can start building upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.